Magnitude 3.6 earthquake strikes near Black Point Green Point, CA. The United States Geological Survey reports a preliminary magnitude 3.6 earthquake struck near Black Point Green Point, CA on Monday. The quake hit at 2:22 p.m. local time at a depth of 12 kilometers. There was no initial word on damage or injury resulting from the quake. More information on this earthquake is available on the USGS event page. See the latest USGS quake alerts. Report feeling earthquake activity and tour interactive fault maps in the earthquake section.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.